Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening iMovie and creating a new movie. Import the footage you need and drag the primary clip into the timeline right away. Once done, note that iMovie defaults to 16:9, so you'll be changing composition, not a hidden project ratio. Select the clip and click the crop tool to reveal fit, crop to fill, and Ken Burns. Make your first actionable choice now. Choose crop to fill to set a custom framing box you can adjust for other ratios. Now you'll refine framing and composition. Select crop to fill and drag the edges to approximate the ratio you want. For vertical work, aim for 9:16, for square 1:1. If you need a vertical clip on a horizontal canvas, duplicate the clip, place a scaled-up copy behind, apply Gaussian blur via preview/export workaround to act as a background, and put the cropped foreground on top. Make sure to preview at full size to avoid unwanted edges, or finish by exporting. Choose Share, then File, and select the highest resolution and quality that matches your source. iMovie won't let you enter custom pixel ratios here. Once done, if you require exact pixel dimensions or unconventional ratios, open the exported file in QuickTime or a simple editor to crop canvas size or use an external encoder. If things go wrong, black bars, soft edges, or pixelation, make sure you didn't overcrop a low-resolution clip and try a higher resolution source or reduce crop scale before re-exporting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.